So first we'll start by peeling the potatoes. Cutting them into halves and then cutting them into smaller pieces so they cook evenly. Fill the pan up with water. Place on the heat to start boiling. As soon as the potatoes break apart, you know they're ready. Then go on to draining the water. If you feel there's a little bit of water left in the pan, place back on the heat and let the heat evaporate any of the water while you are mashing. This will make the potatoes even fluffier. Try not to keep the mash on the heat too long, otherwise it will start to burn the bottom. Add your butter to a pan. Melt it however you like. When it's completely melted, add in your cream. What you're doing is you're heating up the mixture so it doesn't cool down the potato when you add it together. Straight into the mash. If you want to, you can use a whisk. This will fluff up the potatoes and mix in any of the ingredients equally. Try not to whisk too hard, otherwise you will end up getting splashed by the hot mixture. Add in your seasoning. And that's the base mash done. Then you can add things like garlic butter. I've made this in a previous video, if you'd like to see it, it's on the Watermelon Media page and TikTok. Mix it in, and there you go. Another idea is horseradish. Mix it in, and there you go, you have horseradish mash. So finally we have 3 different types of mash, one plain, one garlic and thyme, and one horseradish. Easy.